Bullish Cardano cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.42 and $3.09 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.42 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2022 is 25 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital money market is increasing constantly. Be that as it may, staying aware of this speedy industry is definitely not a simple errand. In this way, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a persevering undertaking that calls for both persistence and examination. How about we jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the cryptographic money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing likely dangers. Principal investigation. Cardano's unmistakable offer is its certain strength. They aren't meaning to catch the whole market for savvy contracts and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably chipping away at the undertaking. Because of these huge quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token inventory is set at 45 billion, there are possible benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano current cost. Cardano is at present worth 31 cents USD. ADA has moved 2.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $325,665,877. Cardano is at present positioned 8th among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,897,419,785 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Cardano value expectation 2022. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 47 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 44 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 37 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. In 2023, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 78 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 62 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 69 cents. Cardano value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.10 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.01 and a low of 94 cents in 2024. Cardano value expectation 2025. Assuming Cardano effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2025. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.42, with a base cost of $1.26 and a typical cost of $1.32. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.64 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.73. Cardano Value Expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.95. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.05. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.89. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.20 and a yearly cost close above $2.36 in 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.52 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.68, averaging out at $2.58. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ADA cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.09 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.96. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial digital currency choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 31 cents with a complete market capitalization of $10,897,419,785. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that ADA is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano might potentially reach 44 cents this year.